Just behind me, bulldozers are excavating and inspecting the dead bodies of Israeli hostages. This operation is being sponsored and actually done by the Al-Qassam Brigade element right here in the residential town of Hamad and the southern Gaza Strip city of Khan Younis. Israel had threatened it would resume operations, military operations against the Gaza Strip unless Hamas hands over the remaining dead bodies of Israeli hostages. These operations are being carried out under very difficult conditions, circumstances in the Gaza Strip, with massive destruction in many parts of the Gaza Strip, including this area.